Areas like Townsville and here in Alba Beach have really escaped the worst of the weather from ex-tropical cyclone Dylan. Now the system crossed the coastline at about 3:30 this morning just near Bowen as a Category 2 tropical cyclone, but since then it has moved inland and weakened significantly. Now, as we were expecting, and you can see behind me on the high tide this morning, we've got a bit of low-lying flooding. The winds have eased a bit since yesterday, and the locals are quite relieved that we didn't cop the brunt of the system, of course, but also a little disappointed that they didn't get the rainfall that they are desperately needing. When Dylan arrived, the storm didn't cause as much trouble as expected. Locals awoke to business as usual.
I was hoping for more rain because the farmers right through here, right through the whole area and right out to Charters Towers need it, really need it.
As the ex-tropical cyclone moved on, the remnants of the storm began battering Bowen and the Whitsundays. But just in case the same fury was unleashed here, the Burdekin was ready.
Most people were prepared. They put things away and were bunkered down last night, assuming that the cyclone was coming into air, as was predicted.
In Townsville, the king tide did bring some flooding, but not as much as yesterday. The Mayor says Council is keeping an eye on more systems up north and, if need be, will be ready.
To my knowledge, we've had no reports of damage or any injury or loss of life, so it's a great outcome.
Now, we are still expecting a couple of showers this evening and across the weekend, but at this stage it does look like the Herbert and Lower Burdekin area has missed out on the heaviest of the rainfall. At the end of the bulletin, I will have more details though on our weekend weather.